This is the Ausfame heavy-duty plastic outdoor coffee table in navy blue. This is a really nice table. It was very easy to assemble. That's the box that it came in right there. This table weighs about 38 pounds, I believe, and this is probably one of the easiest tables I ever assembled before. It was basically 4 pieces, the top, the bottom, and the 2 legs, and then you had 8 screws that go in there. And then they give you this really cool Allen wrench with the T-handle right here. I'm gonna actually save this for future furniture building. This is a really nice tool, a lot better than the little small angled one. This one you're able to get a lot of torque on here and a lot of pressure, and it made it very easy to put it together. But this table is really great. It's got the heavy duty resin on here. This matches the outdoor aerodynamic chairs. We have a set of that. We're trying to move to all of this type of outdoor furniture here because this stuff just lasts a tremendous amount longer than like a wood finish, or you have to stain it every year and things like that. So this is just gonna get a lot of mileage out of it. So for all patio furniture, we're trying to move to this. We really like the navy blue color. This is about 40 inches by about 18 inches tall and about 18 inches wide. It's double level here. So this is exactly what we were looking for the outdoor table. And again, it's about 38 pounds, I believe. So it is very heavy duty. It's a nice size. It's not going to blow away. It's got these slats in here so the wind will go through there if you get a lot of winds. And it's just gonna, this thing is definitely made to last. You'd see it's very high quality. I'm very impressed with it. Again, it's the Ausfame 2-chair heavy duty plastic coffee table. Nicely put together, easy to assemble. I'm gonna say this probably took from opening the box to getting it fully built less than 10 minutes probably. It was very easy. Again, this is a really great tool that they give you. 8 screws, 4 parts. It went together really quick. Very impressed with this table. Highly recommend picking one of these up. Again, Ausfame coffee table.